Okay, in this tutorial we're going to look at slider. Let's create a new project. Open fxml in Sim Builder. Let's wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, open it. Let's remove bugs. Let's use anchor pane. Slider. Then text area. For slider, I like to use prefix SLT. I will say quantity. TA summary. So we need one button. BTN OK. Handle BTN OK. Change to OK. For slider, it's good to see tick marks and then label between 0 to 100. Measure tick unit you can change to 10 so that it will be more readable. So let's change to 10. If you want, you can change the maximum value from 100 to smaller. Let's say 10. Okay, you can reset if you want to. Let me reset. So I'm going to have a value between 0 to 100. Okay. Controller class. Save. Let's add a data field and then one method to controller class. TA summary. BTN OK. Oh, okay, create methods. Let me create the data field again. Here, create field. So we have a 3 data field. Change to private. Annotations. For 3 data field. We don't use label and methods, so let's remove. Enter BTN OK. SLD quantity, which is a slider object. So we have one method called getValue, return double value. TA summary, append text. That deals with only string values, so you may need to use a wrapper class, string value of. In practice, you may like to have integer value rather than double value. For example, 2.2 may appear as a 2. Let me add a new line so that I don't have to use a string level class. I can remove it later on. Instead of using int, you may prefer to use a math function called round, so that when you have a 4.4 may appear as a 4. If you have a 4.6, maybe round up to 5. Okay, that seems to be okay now. Let's get rid of the string value. We don't need it because I have a new line at the end. The value becomes string value. So let's remove. That seems okay. And then one more at the end. Just leave one blanket. Add configuration, add new application, app, hello application, okay, apply, none. So if you use a slider that's close to 10, which is a 9.09, that's why you have an integer 9. Round up as a 9 as well, so let me just change a little bit more. Okay, here need to adjust it again. Here you go, 8.6, integer 8, round up as a 9. Okay, again, depends on your application you need. In practice, you may use with Java class, let's say pizza. One of the data fields, you may have to deal with the quantity. So let's say private double quantity. Okay, this particular case, you need decimal points. Generate, get and settle. For quantity, okay. We have two methods. One pizza object. So we are going to use a slider to get the value for quantity. So we will say set quantity. I'm going to use a math functions to round up. Then you can check the value, TA summary, append text, which is going to be a double value. You can assume that we are selling something based on weights of the product, like a fruits. But this case, of course, the quantities happen to be pizza. It doesn't make sense. Okay, 22, let's change. Okay, 23, 23.9, round up is 24, pizza is 24. Okay, I hope you understand the idea of getting the slider value to pizza, then display the pizza quantity to text area. Text word. Thank you.